So Nyamalot is now getting out of hands, and at this point I feel like she's not going to stop anytime soon. And Wasangana anachanda gwinyira iye na Ketina, no one is going to surrender. Ndo zvandiri kutoona. Mwene mumwe ane mapoints ake ende mumwe akataura uko mumwe ari kunovhundunyura zvimwe. So I don't think kuti nyaya iyi ichapera izvezvi. Chinogona kutosvika gore rese vanhu ava vachingotaura vachingotukana sezvavari kuita izvi. Let me just read my screenshots ari panapa. Amalot achitsanangura what really happened pakesi yake kuSouth Africa iyaya. Hanzi naMalot munoiziva here imi vana nhova? Chiri kubvunzwa pana paInterpol, hanzi munoiziva here? Hanzi musi wa21 February I'm going to perform in Zambia, muye nayo paAirport. Hanzi muye neInterpol paAirport yekuZambia. Do you think Y2K ingangondipa deposit $1,600 kuti vaite loss? The founder of Y2K has been in this industry for decades. If this case was that serious, I was never gonna mention it on the biggest podcast in Zimbabwe. It was already public knowledge and even they knew. Mozi yazvema visa imi kuadarika, madofo evanhu, busy up and down kusoro ita noise over useless things. Mune mavisa evarombo, eupotere. May muchitoda citizenship as well, so you must have a clean record. Zvandiri kutaura, it's like saying Malot, you never get a job because you have tattoos on your face. What the fuck do I need a job for? You see, we are seeing my coming to UK using how you applied for your visa, ma visa evarombo. Arikungoramba achituka futi musikana, arikuramba achingotuka vanhu vakaenda nemaasylum seekers, machichi, vanhu vakaenda neupotere, vanhu vakaenda vasina ene mapepa kuUK. Arikuramba achingovatuka chete. No apologizing. Ndekupi kwaachaenda Malot, kwaachanoimbira vanhu. Even kuSouth Africa kwacho akati aende. Vanhu vari kuSouth Africa vana mapepa. KuZambia ada unoimbira manesi ari kushora day in day out. Vana vari kuZambia vada unoimbira vechikoro. Vamwe vanhu vari kuZambia futi havana mapepa. Saka vari kuda unoimbira ndevapi at the end of the day kana achituka vanhu. Muri kumuona musikana kuti anenge ari kuenderera singatomboite uyu. Hanzi muda kutofananidza the way imimi hanzi makaenda nemavisa evarombo ikoko, but ada unoimbira varombo vacho vachimupa mari dzavo ma30-40 pounds. Hanzi saka musazvifananidza neni. My UK booking was $2,650. They paid me deposit $1,600. $1,600 iyoyo vamwe vanhu vari kutambira pawiki. Haasi kuzviziva. 2.6 iyoyo imari ye2 weeks mumwe munhu anenge aiwana, but ndo yaari kuonererwa kudaro. Hanzi 2,600 iyi itake home because my $2,600 iyi take home because they provide flights, visa and accommodation to perform for 40 minutes. Yeah, ulengende, it's even more than that. My dad stays in the UK. Motidai risiri dhiri kwatiri, handidai vana vedu vari kowe koko. This case happened. Murikunzwa hanzi dai risiri hanzi my dad stays in the UK. Motidai risiri dhiri kwatiri. Ari kutoti UK is not a deal kwandiri because baba wangu anogona kutotora vana kuUK. Ndichauya nawo baba wacho. Stay tuned. Wasati subscribe please. Ndokuunzirai vabereki vari kunzi vanogona kuvatora vacho kuti hanzi UK harina dhiri. Motongoona kutoti ine dhiri maona. Okay, let me not say much. Ndoda kuti subscribe so that you can come back ndane vabereki vaMalot. Hanzi, this case happened when I was 16. I was a juvenile. I even got bail on the case. As you can see on the screenshots below, it's written that a warrant of arrest was issued for defaulting the court of justice, meaning I was out on bail attending court in Chivakumba. Do you even know Chinonzi criminal record? Murikuvunzwa nedofo iri hanzi munoziya here Chinonzi criminal record. I have never been convicted of a crime in both South Africa and Zimbabwe. When I got arrested in 2023 here in Zimbabwe, both cases I stood trial and the verdict was not guilty and I got acquitted and discharged. Ioya Java, I refused to apologize because he said if I apologize, he was gonna withdraw the case and said I want to go to court. I did a verbal bail application after spending 2 nights in the cells and it was granted. I later got further remand refusal from the court and I was removed from remand. For Yeku SA, I went to SA in 2023. You can check my post at 2023. Ndaperekedza mama wangu and I contacted my other co-accused and he told me that it was worth it if I had plans of moving back to SA, and I said I was now based in Zim full time, and at that time ndandisina kufambira izvozvo because zvaizotora time because I had accompanied my mom on her errands and he said I can come when I'm free, that if I have any future in SA. And at that time, I didn't, because my mom and sis were also now based in Zim full time. But when I started music, instead of using my money, which I didn't have at that time, to book a hotel and flight just to go fix that matter, I had planned that if I get a booking as in a show in SA, I'll ask the promoters to book the flight at least a month earlier. Then I'll only pay for accommodation and fix the case, which I'm gonna do in May, because I have 2 bookings in SA. Naye muchimbonyatsondiudza kuti ada kunofixei in May kuSouth Africa, if kana achitaura kuti haisi nyaya, ada unofixe chii? Handisi kunyatsonzwisisa hangu kuti musikana chii chiri kunyanyomunetsa kana nyaya yacho isiri that important. Chaari kuti kana aine booking ada kuenda kuSouth Africa earlier kunofixa nyaya yacho, why is she going earlier? Ngangonopefomika kana achizoti nyaya yake hapana nyaya. Mukuona kuti sisi vanozvicontradicta vega, so vega vanobudisa vega pajekerere kuti she's not wise. Anofunga kuti tese tiri magrade 2F. And they'll make the flyers once they finish paying the deposit for both shows. Obviously, if I go to proceed with the case, I'll likely be discharged as well, because all my co-accused who even played bigger roles in the robbery were discharged because of lack of evidence to proceed to trial, because the complainants were not showing up for court and also the key witnesses were not complying with prosecutors. I'm the only one who got bail, and I was attending the court in Chibakumba. I got bail because 1, I was a juvenile, 2, I was still in school. Asi maloti aishereketa veduwe. So young, munhu achita ma-criminal activities, ma-armed robbery at 16. What is that? And then number 3, hands vaitondisvipa pamastatements avo kuti sisi vavasipo, because they knew that I was the weakest point in the gang, and for sure that was their plan, because the detective didn't allow it and charged me as an accomplice as well, because they wanted to use me as plan B, to offer me a deal to use me if they didn't get enough evidence. And when the witnesses and complainants stopped complying, vavasati vataura, I had just gotten bail. But of course that was their next move, because they fought hard kuti ndisabuditswe munyaya. If you listen to my interview Ola that I did last year, mozvinzwa, my bros knew how the cops operate. That's why they tried to get me out of the case. That's why as soon as I got bail, I ran to avoid snitching on my gang in the exchange of immunity. That means that I would have to tell the court what really happened, and I couldn't do that because of loyalty to my gang. Mananga kuita my gang at 16. So because of maperero akaita case iyi, kune vamwe vanhu I will likely get the same result. That means the crime I committed is defaulting the court of justice, and my only crime that I committed is only defaulting the court of justice. And if you turn yourself into the court that you defaulted and give a reasonable explanation, you will likely get the warrant cancelled without paying the fine or serving the sentence. Then they'll cancel the warrant, then bail will be reinstated because I was already out on bail, and give you a date to come back to court, because the case was still in remand court and could not proceed to trial because prosecutors and detectives lacked zvikwanisiro zvekuenda kutrial. Even ukabatwa zvisiri zvekuti waenda wega, when they take you to court from police custody and fail to give a reasonable explanation of why you couldn't come to court on the date that you were supposed to come, and also should you didn't turn yourself in to the court, it's either you get sentenced, and mostly the sentence will be 30 days with an option of a 300 fine or 30 days in prison. After that, they will then decide if they want to revoke your bail or to reinstate it, or your court date. And in my case, I gladly believe that I will be discharged too, since all my co-accused were discharged. To all those who want to confirm, I can give you the investigation officer numbers, though he is now a judge at the High Court. He can still give you the facts about the case. Muri kuona sei naye pane vanoita zvemutemo here vangatiudzewo kuti zviri kutaurwa zviri kuexplaina izvi ichokwadi here kana kuti kunyepa, because sisi maloti vari kutozviona vaine joka. Ngavaflyeka vaende kuSouth Africa kwacho vazotiudza kuti zvinenge zvakamira sei. Ngavaregere kana vachiona senge it's not even a case. Why is she ari kuita nhoroondo yesei nenyaya yacho iyoyichi? Patori nenyaya. Yes, he was an accomplice, but you can still get charged. Why did she run away? To run away, itori mhosva iyoyo kuti iye ari kutozviona kuti it's just a 300 fine or a 30-day period ari mujeri. kusatya kwake kupinda mujeri and unonyatsoona kutoti amai vake ka she was a bad parent. I'm sorry to say this, but my parenting skills ake mukadzi wacho yaka, it was actually not good. How can she leave? Ndosaka futi akaita mwana at an early age. 1, 2, she was already engaging. Where was the mother when she was doing all these criminal activities? Where was she? Akaita a member of a gang in South Africa at 16, and also she was, now she's 28, 20 whatever, 27 years now, but still at 27 she's still bragging of what she's still in that same predicament. She's still doing the same thing. She's still going to court. She's still getting jailed 10 years after, which means kuti mwana uyu akangokura asina munhu aimudzoreredza, akangokura life yake ingori asina muparent anomutsiura anoita sei. Handizivi hangu kuti it's not like kuti masingle mothers they are not doing great out there, but masingle mothers, please make sure that if you are grooming your kids, you look after them in a way kuti vanhu mangwana havazokushore, because mai vamaloti at this point vari kungoshorwa mastreets nevanhu bad parenting yavakaita mwana, and that was bad parenting. Handizivi hangu what you guys think. I don't want to label her as a bad parent, but anyway, let's continue nenyaya yedu yecourt iyi. Chandonyatsoziva ndechekuti Maloti anozviziva kuti criminal record yake kuSouth Africa, if she doesn't play her cards well, she is on the wanted list. To make matters worse, if she's still on the wanted list, why is she still on the wanted list if your case is that small? If iye ende chimwe chinhu futi ndechekuti akanyepa zita kumapurisa. KuSouth Africa it's a non thing yekuti munhu ukabatwa unogona kungonyoresa iwewe zita rako rawada ikoko. Mangwana zvinozokutsikirira kana paitika maincidents akadai so. Akati namatai bobo, but iye achinyoziva kuti anonzi Tsitsi whatever zita rake ndo ririko kumapurisa uko. Saka zvinogona kumuomera futi kuti akanyepa at a young age, at 16 akanyepa futi. So at this point I feel like Maloti mafacts chaiwo haana. Mwana uyu anogona kusungiwa takatarisa kudai so. Show yacho yekuSouth Africa ikatadza kutoitwa, because apo pari kunzi patoitika macalls like more than 900 kuSouth Africa about Maloti.